Everybody would love to have glowing, radiant skin, and the doTERRA range has 3 options for you. So there's going to be one that's going to work for you, and you can interchange them, work them together. So I'm going to run through them each so you can understand them a little bit better. There's Verage, the Essentials, and the HD Clear. To quickly sum up, the Verage is all-rounder, most affordable, most natural. The Essentials is a little bit higher technology, a little bit more active ingredients, and a little bit more expensive. Has a lot more range in that product kit. And then there's the HD Clear, which is more for your teenage, oily, hormonal skin. So those are the 3, and I'll talk to you first about the Verage. So the Verage was what I started off using, and I was so blown away by it. Mainly because I'd been buying willy-nilly bits from here and there, and it was costing me a lot more than this. And then when I tried really high-grade ones, they were costing me a lot of money, and I wasn't really finding any of them effective. This left me feeling very confident in my skin and knowing that it was really working. So in this little pack, you get 4 items, which is also very simple. So you have the gel cleanser, which has in it wild orange, tea tree, and basil. So you wash your face with that. And then you have the Spritz toner with ylang-ylang, coriander, palmarosa, and cypress. So you just spritz that on. The ylang-ylang is really good for pH balancing of the skin, so all skin types good. And then the Verage hydrating serum. This is the bomb. This is the bit that I really love. So it actually hydrates, plumps up your skin, and really helps with anti-aging. So very, very effective. It's based on Celubel or Immortel that you might know of, and it's moved from there. So it has frankincense, lavender, helichrysum, Hawaiian sandalwood, myrrh, and rose in it. So you pop that on your skin after you've done those 2, and you typically at night, I say try it to start with, and then every second day until your skin gets used to it. You can use it every day, it's fine. And then the moisturizer. So the moisturizer is very light and absorbs very quickly into the skin. It has in it geranium, juniper berry, jasmine, sea buckthorn berry. So that's it. Then let's talk about the Essentials collection. So the Essentials facial cleanser is actually a cream-based one. And inside of that, it has melaleuca and peppermint, which I love actually as a morning thing because it can be like a real wake you up. So that is a favorite for that. And the toner with it, I didn't think I was going to like it as much because you actually have to get the little cotton bud and wipe it over your face with a cotton pad. However, it smells divine. It has in it, so you know, it will have ylang-ylang. I'm just trying to look on the front of this. Lavender and German chamomile. So German chamomile we can actually buy as an essential oil separately, so it's kind of unique to have it in there, and fantastic for toning up the skin, helping those pores. There are 2 moisturizers in this range. There's the anti-aging moisturizer and the hydrating cream. So it's a bit like which one do you use and how to use it. You can use both day and night interchangeably or just choose one. I find that this is a really great range for winter, and I love the hydrating cream. As you can see, it's got nothing left in there. If you try and have a look, there's nothing left to go. So it helps really give you a rich overall moisturizer. I like to apply that at night in particular and let it settle into the skin. And then this one would work better as your day one. So that's how you can use the 2 of them. And inside of it, this one has lavender, jasmine, geranium, and frankincense. This one here has exactly the same, but just a little bit richer. So that's the 2 combos of them. There is also the tightening serum. So you know how much I love the hydrating serum. So the tightening serum you apply from your décolletage all the way up over your face outward. Slow motions helps with tightening and firming up your skin. We have the brightening gel. So for any pigmentations, to brighten up the skin and just give it a little pep up. The way this works is you just press through here and the gel will come out. You can have a little, yep, there we go. And then you just apply him over your skin. You can use all of these daily as well. Probably one of my favorites in here has got to be this guy. This is the anti-aging eye cream, and mainly because it's got this steel roller ball, so it's a really easy applicator and you can just pop it in around under your eyes. And then finally we have the invigorating scrub. This we keep in the shower and it just helps freshen up, polish up the skin, and just takes away those dead skin cells, exfoliates. It's beautiful. So it smells divine, and it has grapefruit and peppermint in it. So that's the Essentials range. And then lastly, we have HD Clear. So HD Clear has its foaming wash, and then it has its moisturizer or facial lotion. These are quite more expensive in terms of, this one's about $53. I'm sorry, I'll put in below how much they exactly are, I can't remember, and this one's around $38. So just for those two items, there's no kit actually, and then you can also get a little touch, so for real problem areas. The Essentials kit, so you're wearing in Australia at the moment, it's $305, it's $66 savings, and you can buy it out of the States when it's not available here. It will come with, the Essentials kit does come with a little explanation of how to use and the breakdown of each of them. So I find that quite handy. My last couple of tips to you, whichever one you choose, you're going to be pretty happy with, I'm sure of it. If you have any problems, you just go through to the Doterra customer service. They are amazing. They will help you out. And yeah, what I would say is that the Verage toner, you can keep that on your desk wherever during the day and just freshen yourself up with it. And the one thing that from the Verage is really missing is just blackening eye cream. So a rose touch is a great way to add that in, or your Celubel or Meltel, you can pop that around. And if you have any blemish areas, you can use tea tree. Ideally dilute, because you don't know about your sensitivity, and you can use a little tea tree touch, a Melaleuca touch, and just pop that on those spots. So I hope you found that useful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please feel free to reach out to me if you want to try these, you haven't tried any before and you want to see what they're like. I promise you, you're going to be very happy with them. All the details are below. See you later.